Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I have with me the new BMW M135i. This is the ultimate machine in this class and probably the most wanted sporty car in this class. And in this video we will drive the car, I will test drive the car, and at the end of this video I will give you my opinion. Also we will talk about suspension, we will talk about everything as we drive the car. Now before I go forward, if you are in Switzerland, around Switzerland, check out Out of a Care, guys. I will leave the link in the description. If you want to buy the car, see the car, check them out, the link will be in the description. Now let me give you some technical data before we start driving. So as I said, I have with me the new BMW 1 Series M135i xDrive. It's an all-wheel drive system, the hatchback version, of course. The starting price 62,500 francs with all these optionals here that you can pause the video and read it out, that I will explain you also in another video. I will have a separate video, full review, interior, exterior. There you can find out everything about the car, material quality, technical data, options and stuff like that. But in this video I want to make it faster, so it's all about the test drive. Then 12,000 optional, the price will go to 75,110 francs, but here at Out of a Care you have a 6,310 francs discount, so the final price will be 68,800 francs. So it seems to be a little bit bigger in the beginning, but trust me, check out the review, you will see that this car is just phenomenal. I mean, in terms of performance and quality and good looking, is just top of the top. Now technical data: the weight of the car 1,665 kilograms, 7.6 liters the estimated consumption, 172 CO2 grams. It's in E-class, efficient class. Now a little bit deeper in details: the car comes with a 2-liter petrol engine, 4 cylinders in line, 306 horsepower, 450 Newton meters. It's an all-wheel drive system and it's connected with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Fuel tank capacity 50 liters. Top speed of the car 250 km/h, 0 to 100 in 4.8 seconds. The ground clearance 15.3 centimeters. The car comes with ventilated brake discs on the front, ventilated brake discs on the rear, blue brake calipers, 4 pistons in the front, 19-inch rims optional we have on this model. Turning radius of the car 11.4 meters. Also the boot capacity you will find out in the review video, so check out that video on the channel. The front suspension independent double wishbone coil spring with anti-roll bar. The rear suspension multi-link independent coil spring with anti-roll bar. So those are the most important technical data about the car. Let's drive the car and in the end we will make the conclusion. Alright guys, let's drive the car. First of all, this is the key, the same key as BMW use it also on other model, with the M colors on the side. What you can do with the key, lock and unlock the car, of course. Also it comes with keyless entrance, but more about those information in the other video. I have a separate video, full review, interior, exterior with the same car, so check out that video, guys. We have 19-inch rims here, beautiful M rims, ventilated brake disc with the blue brake calipers, also blue brake calipers in the front with 4 pistons with M logo on it, and also ventilated brake disc on the front. But more about that I will explain you in the full review video. I like also this plate with M135i, aluminum pedals, electric adjustable seats. Here we have those sporty seats, leather, optional on the car. Let me go inside, let me put the key right here and let's drive the car. Press the brake, start engine button, it's here. Here we have 3 different driving modes. Eco Pro, every time you change the driving mode also the screen will change. Eco Pro, we have Comfort, and we have Sport and Sport Individual. So we will try all those different driving modes. Here we have the controller, you probably know the multimedia. I have a separate video with it. Also the car comes with a head-up display directly on the windshield. Gorgeous brightness and resolution. Visibility, it's good in the mirrors. Also on the side, also on this on the upper side. What can I say? Let's drive the car. Climatic system, put it to probably 3 because it's super hot inside here. Great steering wheel. We have this M steering wheel with great grip, pedals to change the gear manually. Anyway, let's drive it. Put it in drive just like that, simple, and then let's drive it, guys. Let's see how it's handling on the road. Also I like very much the grip on the steering wheel. We have some fingers behind it so you can grip it a little bit better. All right, let's go slowly like that. It's very silent inside the cabin. As you probably know, BMW make a great job in terms of sound insulation and noise reduction. Good visibility. The steering wheel, it's quite sporty and a little bit stiffer. Even though we are in eco mode, you can feel that sportiness added to it, so you can feel that it's a little bit stiffer, and I like that. I like this sporty feeling that BMW bring it to the cars. You feel quite low on the ground, and you feel like you have a great grip on the ground, like a sporty car. Also, the suspension are a little bit stiffer in eco mode, and I think they are set up to be a little bit stiffer. Turning radius, let's see right now. Turning the car, I think it has around 11 meters. Yeah, it's not bad. It's fine, it's fine. You can see you have to turn a little bit the steering. The pedals feel smooth and nice. Also the brakes, the acceleration. Lovely grip, lovely control. I feel like I can control the car very easy. I like the way it feels. Also, those seats are super comfy. Right now in the curves, I feel like it holds me really well, like that. It holds my back super tight there. I like that. Head-up display, it's perfect. I mean, you see all the information there perfectly directly on your view, and also it's quite bright. It's super silent in eco mode. It's crazy silent. Accelerate. Oh my god. Whoo, it feels nice. Even in eco mode, it's so silent, and then once you press the acceleration, look how silent and how smooth it's run. And then, oh, it has a little bit of delay. Wow. So if you want to feel some sporty feeling, you have to try this BMW M135. Yeah, BMW know how to make those sporty cars. And let's change the driving mode, guys. It's so easy to change the driving modes. You have this physical button here, super easy to reach out. Right now we are in comfort. The steering is the same stiff as on the eco mode, so it still stay in sporty mode. Suspensions as well. Brakes are great. Lovely brakes. I love the car. You have such a good control. Wow, in the curves it stays incredible. Wow, super nice feeling. Whoa, lovely. Also the car comes with cruise control here. I don't think it makes any point to test it out. I tested in my other videos, and BMW make a great job with the cruise control. Also this new lane assist, and what they did, it's lovely. But what is important in this car is the acceleration. Wow. Pedals, the way it stays on the ground, it's unique, guys. Wow, I love it. Perfect. I tell you, it's just perfect. Hard to compare it with other car. It's a unique feeling. It's really unique what BMW make with their cars. Wow. Boy, oh boy, the way it stays on the curves, it's in a big way. the quality, the premium quality, it's incredible. Let's go to the sport mode. We will try an acceleration in sport mode as well. Steering, it's a little bit more stiffer. Oh, you hear the exhaust? Wow. 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 You hear that? The pops when you brake, they are so unique, so deep, that sound, and in the same time I have such a good sound insulation inside the cabin. Oh boy, this is a proper sporty car. The way it's gripped down there, oh boy. The feedback that the steering give you, it's in the big way. Oh, 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 I can get used with this car. Oh, I like it so much. Wow. Wow. I mean, I drive the Golf R, and no chance, man. What this BMW do, it's so unique. I really love it. Wow. And if you want to drive comfortable, you don't go back to eco mode. You just press one button. Now you're back in eco. The pedals are smooth, sensitive, and silent. Back in silent. Oh boy, oh boy. This is something that I wanna feel from all the cars, all the sporty cars. I want the silent and the possibility to drive smooth and silent on the street, and in the same time to have the chance to accelerate and have that power under the... You can see the engine, it's so silent right now, so smooth, so sensitive it feels. It's you never believe in what, when you press the sport mode, the car is just transforming in something else. Yeah, they know how to do those cars. BMW know how to make those cars. And the parking, reverse camera, the car have also a reverse camera, so if you go in reverse, you will see the camera back there. It has a good resolution, very good resolution. Doesn't have a 360 degrees camera, but this reverse camera have a super good resolution, and I like it. I like the way it is. It's easy to change the gears also. Guys, you will be surprised to tell you that I didn't own until now any BMW, and I wish one day to own a BMW. I think that would make my life a little bit more active. Probably. Anyway, that was the video, guys. Electronic handbrake, auto hold. Also you have here traction control off and start stop button, and parking sensors, 6 in the front, 6 on the rear. I think I show you almost everything here. I don't think I miss anything. It's a lovely car. The steering, it's phenomenal. The grip, the way it feels when you drive the car, it's such a unique feeling. You can't feel this feeling in other cars. I don't know how to explain you. You have to try a BMW to understand what I mean. Oh, it's nice. It was nice. The seats are so comfy and you have side support and I feel so good in them. Lovely car, really good car. Everything, I can't complain about anything in terms of acceleration, in terms of driving feeling, quality, premium, suspension feel really good. They set it up perfectly. You feel the ground and in the same time you have that comfort inside the car. Good visibility, good suspension, good acceleration. This combination here is just wow. I mean, the transmission and everything in the car, it's top. So that was the test drive with the new BMW 1 Series M135i. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe. I will really appreciate that. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you guys. Also, if you want to buy the car, check out the car, test drive the car, check out Autoverkehr in Bern, in Switzerland. I will leave the link in the description, so check them out, guys. They are super nice and they have great discounts. Also, if you want to see the full review, I have a separate video with the same car. Probably it's on the channel. If it's not already there, click the subscribe button to see the notification when that video will come out. Thank you very much, guys, for watching my video. Stay safe and I see you soon in the next one. Bye, guys.